This tutorial is on how to skip to post-contract for awarded contractor using buildspacePro. First log in to the system. Click at the BuildSpace logo. Click Project Builder. Click Create Project. Select Project Information Form. Next, to fill in the project information form, such as the title, client, work category, country and etc. Information with asterisks are compulsory to be filled. Click Save. New project created will appear at the first row from the list. Double-click the project to access the BQ system. To import the awarded Excel BQ into the system, first, add bill. Click at the project title. Click Add Bill. Click Normal Bill. Fill in the bill information. Then click Save. Before importing the awarded contractor Excel BQ, first, open the Excel file. Here you need to make a few adjustments, first to delete the informative rows such as the item, description, unit and, etc. Make sure the first row is the element title. Next, to delete the total amount row and any continued header. Lastly, to delete the collection page. Another reminder is that each item description have to be separated with an empty row. Next, to save the edited BQ. Back to buildspacePro system. To import, single-click the bill. Then click Import from Files. Select Import from Excel. Click Select File and select the edited BQ file. Next, to match the information column, back to the edited Excel file. Description under column C, unit column D, quantity column E, and rate under column F. Back to buildspacePro system. Match the columns. Then click Import. Tick at the checkbox to select element to import. To include the quantity and rate, tick at the checkbox. Then click Import. Next click Publish to Tender. Once publish you cannot amend the BQ. Next click at the buildspace logo. Click Tendering. Now the project is the tendering stage, double-click the project. Next click View Tenderer. Click Tenderer Settings. Then select the awarded contractor. If the contractor is not in the list, click Add New Contractor. Click Save. Go to Action, click Select. Back to tendering. Once the contractor is selected, click Push to Post-Contract. Click Publish. Select Use Estimation Rates. Then select With or Without Not Listed Items. Next to fill in the contract information. All items with asterisks are compulsory to be filled. Once finalized, click Save. Next click buildspacePro logo. Click Post-Contract. Now the project is at the post-contract stage, double-click the project. At the post-contract stage, you can update the project work done. To update, go to Claim Certificate. Click Activate Claim Certificate. Next to fill in the claim cert information. Then click Save. Now the claim cert is in progress. To proceed back to project breakdown. To update work done, click any of the bill. Here you can rename the description. Double-click to view element. You can update work done at element level. Or to update by item, double-click the element. You can update claim by percentage. Quantity. Or amount. Once you finalize with the updates, back to project breakdown. Click Reload to view the latest update. To add variation order, double-click Variation Order. Next to key in the VO title. Double-click to prepare the VO items. Key in the item description. Select unit. You can key in the budget for reference. Next to key in the real amount. If you have items to omit from the BQ, click Omit from BQ. Then select items from the BQ. Tick at the checkbox for the selected items and click Import. If there are changes of the quantity, you can amend it at the quantity column. Back to variation order. To add attachments for this VO, click Upload. Once finalized, change the status from pending to approve. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload to update the summary. To update VO claims, double-click variation order. Double-click the VO. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. You need to activate Claim Certificate in order to update progress. Back to variation order. Double-click the VO. To update progress, key in progress at the percentage, quantity or amount column. Once finalized with the updates, back to claim revision. Change the status from in progress to locked. Once locked, it will show that this claim is bind to claim cert number 1. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload. Omitted items from VO will indicate at the project bill. For advance payment, double-click Advance Payment. Key in the advance payment title. Set the priority. You can select normal or high. Double-click to prepare the item list. Key in the description. Set the unit for this item. Next to key in the quantity and rate. Repeat the same steps to add more items. Back to advance payment. If you have attachments, click Upload. Once finalize, change the status from Preparing to Approve. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload. To update paybacks or claims, double-click Advance Payment. Double-click the item. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to advance payment. Next, key in the percentage of claim. Back to Claim Revision. Change the status from In Progress to Locked. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload. Next, to update material on site, double-click. Key in the material on site title. Double-click to prepare the item list. Key in the description. Set the unit for this item. Next, to key in the quantity and rate. If the material on site have a reduction, key in the percentage. To add more items, repeat the same steps. Back to material on site. Next, to change the status from Preparing to Approve. To update Advance Payment Payback, double-click Advance Payment. Double-click to view items. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to material on site. Next, key in the percentage of claim. Back to Claim Revision. Change the status from in progress to locked. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload. Once you finalize with all claims, back to Claim Certificate. To preview all claims, click Claim Cert Print Info. Click Print. Here you can view the summary of cert for all claims that have been made. This includes the VO work done, advance payment and material on site. Back to buildspacePro tab. You can keep on updating other claims before approving this certificate.